Well, good morning all. It is Monday again, which means it is fishing day for me. So today I'm filming another Adventure Squires fishing edition. I have got another spot that I've found that is literally, it's a big walk. So I'm not going to bore you with the entire walk in because it's probably going to take me a couple of hours to actually get to where I want to get to, if I can get to there. Anyway, beautiful water just here. This is where I'm starting. Beautiful creek. There could be JPs in here. I don't know. If I do see anything like that, I'll show you. But this is where I start, and then I'm going to go from freshwater all the way to the salt. Can't wait to see what I'm going to find. Hopefully barra, jacks, estuary cod, as always, anything that'll eat my soft plastic. But this is yeah, it's going to be an exciting walk. I'll just show you what I'm carrying with me because I've done this a few times now, but I haven't actually shown you the gear that I'm using. So backpack, all the essentials, all the way down from plastics to, well, leader, knife, ruler for measuring the fish, to toilet paper if I need to use it. Then I've got my little spinning outfit just here. It's a 2 to 3 kilo rod with a 1000 pen clash, which is very hard to get if you've never tried to get a 1000 size pen clash. So that is a beautiful outfit for what I'm doing, and people do ask me why I use such light gear. I'll be honest with you, I land more fish on light gear than I do on heavy gear, just for the simple fact you can get better action. That lighter line gives you a better presentation in the water, and realistically, if the fish snags me, I can just walk up to the snag and usually get it off anyway. So light gear certainly catches more fish in my boat anyway. I also have an ice bag, so I do like to bring home fish every now and again. Well, every time. That way we've got fish to eat as well. I don't keep too much, I just keep what I'm going to eat for the week. So we eat fish 2 or 3 times a week sometimes. So if I catch a couple of mangrove jack or a barra, I'll bring a couple of fish home, and then the rest go straight back into the water. Anyway, that's enough boring is. That's the gear I've got, that's what I'm walking in with. Can get a bit heavy, there's 10 kilos of ice in that bag, so yeah, it's hard work, but once you get there and you get a fish in there and bring it home, it's all rewarding. All right, let's go. About 2 hours of walking, and I'll turn this back on when I get there. All right, see you guys. See you in there. I haven't really fished much of this coming in at the moment. I've been walking for an hour already, and I'm not seeing mangroves yet. It's certainly taking a toll on me, but let's see if we're far enough to harbour some jacks or something. I'm only gonna have one cast here. I'm not gonna waste my time. I need to get to the mangroves. This is a big walk in, so it's gonna be a big walk out too. All right, not at the fishing spot yet, but I'll tell you this, I've never been happier to see tidal mangroves. Oh, that has been a monster trek in. It's probably something you'd be smarter to do over a 2-day trek. This one's pretty hardcore, but we've gone from Australian bush ecosystem to mangroves. Yes, pretty soon I'll be down in the salt. Hopefully it'll open up a little bit more, it won't be such hard walking, and we can actually get some fishing done. All right, let's get in there. So we've got salt water here now. We're still pushing downstream, but I just want to show you, if you're planning on doing this, and I don't really advise it, it's not smart, and if you are going to do it, you probably should do it with somebody. But this kind of walk, I'm on grass here, out here behind me, anywhere could be a crocodile. That's the one you really want to worry about. So when I'm coming through, I'm very cautious. I'm looking at all the long grass, because salt water, grass, they could be up here sitting, sunning. They could even have a nest or something like that up here, which would make them a lot more aggressive. So you really want to just take this easy. The other thing I want to show you, I'll just take my GoPro off, sorry about that, is the walk in. So this is actually what I'm more scared of, and that's the snakes. There are so many snakes. So what I've got is leather gaiters. This is pure hard leather underneath my jeans. It comes all the way up to my knees. So even though these walks aren't really smart, they can actually get pretty dangerous. You can do things to minimize the chances of being injured or worse. So leather gaiters, if I get a snake bite anywhere below my knees, I'm safe. So that's pretty that's helped myself out a lot. And then in this long grass right here, keep an eye out for those crocodiles, because there are lots of them in here. All right, when you're walking down to the salt, be careful. All right, let's see if we can catch a fish. That was a solid 2-hour trek in. actually made it to where I wanted to get to. It looks exactly as it does on Google Earth. Definitely accessible. Nice sized creek, look at that. Oh, I've got to catch fish here, you would think. And just careful of crocodiles. Oh, look at that. I've got to have a flick. I just got to flick straight away. That is spectacular. There's got to be a fish in there. Oh no, I'm on that tree. Here you go. Come on. Oh, I can't believe I didn't get smashed just then. All right. Beautiful. We're only half out with the tide too, so check out this country now. It's opening up. I've just hiked a long way for a new spot, but I could always go to, I've got lots of fishing spots. I could go anywhere and catch fish, but going to new places, doing this sort of thing, this is exciting. I've never been here before. All right, onward. Oh. Yep, on. Okay. All right, there we go. Oh, it's gone downstream. Oh, it's a GT. No, that's a shame. Thought I had a jack. Oh, come on. Lift him up. Yeah, that's easy. There we go. All right. Oh well, it's not the target species, but it's a fish. I can't complain about that. There you go. One GT. The tide starts going down. It's starting to reveal a few more little spots now. Couldn't see this before. There's some rocks under the water just here, with the current flowing very fast past them. Oh, it goes out a fair way actually. That would have to have fish feeding on it. Oh, yep, on. Oh, what do you got? First cod for the trip. Okay. Not legal, but right species. Up the bank. Oh. All right. Happy with that. Tell you what, he's not legal, but the rule is too far away right now, so I'm just gonna throw him back. He'd be very close. Whoops. There we go. Come on. Up. I left the bogeys and everything in. Left the bogeys and everything in my bag. Come on, up you come. Up you come. There you go. Just want to, no, stop moving. Sure, run. There you go. Woohoo. Cool. Back in the water. Okay. I've established a fishing spot. This current, there's lots of rocks starting to appear in the water down here now, and it's actually eddying around these rocks just here. So anywhere from past this point where my line is now would effectively be in the strike zone. So anywhere where it is, you would expect to get hit by something. If it wasn't so cold this morning, I would say it'd be an ideal barra spot, but it is cold. It's now definitely got the cold wintry snap happening now. Doesn't mean you don't catch them, but the rock bar is really showing itself now. Spot here, fishful, probably the nicest looking little spot I've had so far. We've got a bit of a back eddy, plenty of bait down below us. No crocodiles that I can see. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Just a couple of small casts. Oh, that screams fish. Oh, yep. Oh, it's a barracuda. There you go. Look out for the teeth on these guys. Just be grabbing them. I don't want to get bitten. There you are. Get that hook out. Look at the teeth on this thing. Can't really see. I'm not going to put my hand in his mouth. Look at that. You don't want these things getting a hold of you. I'll tell you what, but this is probably one of the best emperor baits you can use. If I was in a boat or something like that, I would have kept this for bait, but he can go back in the water. Slab bait for red emperor or nanny guy really works well. I do like my 4-inch minnow, but desperate times right now. I think we're going to have to go to the Xeric and see whether... Oh, it's been a while since I've used the Xeric, a bit rusty in there, but it should be fine. Get a little stinger hook on the back just to pin those fish. Anyway, let's see if the Xeric can get me a bite. I'll just change him over now. Alright, let's get the prawn in there. Oh, that wind is hard with a very light, small Xeric prawn. Oh, little Jack's had a look at it. Come on, I'll take a little Jack right now. A bigger one would be better, but at least I had some looks just then. Yep. Oh, that's a bigger cod. Oh no, he's got me in the... Oh, give me a... Oh yes, that's a good sized cod. No way. Oh, looks like I'm going down. The Xeric prawn has... Oh, saved my day. Oh, yes. Oh, come on up. Oh, that's a long way down, but that's a good cod. Oh, yes. That was fun. Oh. Okay, let's get him up on the camera. Oh. All right, there you go. Not a bad cod at all on the Xeric prawn. That saved my saved the day almost. All right, let's go get a measure on this bad boy. Woohoo! Well, here he is. Just get you down. Right on the end there, coming up, and right on 38. He's just over 38, but 38, and yep, just legal. They need to be 38 centimeters. One just legal cod today, but I'm not going to complain. It's been hard work. At least we've got a fish in the bag now, so not going home empty-handed. Alright, the Xeric has brought us the goods. Okay, let's see if we can catch another. Things are getting a lot more accessible and interesting. Liking that little part here now. Pretty confident I can come down here. All these rocks, crocodiles don't like that. Shallow water, so if there is a crocodile, I'll see him coming. Actually not too bad right now, so come down here. Let's have a quick close cast just here. My little Xeric first. Lots of rocks up here. Tide's right down now, and looks like I can walk a long way downstream now. Huh. This place just keeps on changing. Down here on these rocks soon, and let's see how far we can walk downstream now. Looks pretty safe walking now too. Alright, I'm climbing down. This creek has drained incredibly. I can't believe how much further I can walk downstream now. Still got a chance. Really sketchy for crocodiles, but I'm not seeing any slides. I'm taking it really slow. Just take everything easy. Sorry if I'm a bit jerky with the GoPro. It's me just keeping an eye all around me. Ah, this is really nice. Alright, deep water down here. Oh, that was a barra. That was definitely a barra. Oh, another barra. Excellent. Alright, so we got barra sitting just at the base of this rapids. Oh yeah, there's another barra. Oh, I'm hoping I didn't spook them. Alright, we got barra just in front of us now. Oh, I hope they're taking 4-inch minnows. Oh yeah, I can still see. Definitely barra. Alright, natural entry. Oh, there he is again. Looks like he's feeding on jelly prawns. Oh, we got some life in this pool at least. Yes, certainly won't need much water. In the shallows. Probably scared him now. Oh. Oh, there's a little bit of excitement anyway. Oh well, keep moving. There's a crab pot down there. Obviously I've got as far now where boats get to. I can see some big crabs in that pot too. That's going to be a happy person when they come pull up their pot, I think. Oh, it scared me. Yep. Oh, had a hit. Yep, got it this time. What do we got? Oh, that's big. That's big, whatever it is. Oh, big cod? No, a big jack. Oh, yes, that's what I'm after. Definitely what I'm after. That's a good fish. That's a very good fish. Very good fish. Oh, look at that. That. Stonking jack. Absolutely stonking. Oh, guys, check that baby out. Let's get a measure on that one. Whoa, excellent. All right, just trying to get up in the shadow. Let's get that nose on. There you go, he's touching. Sorry about the shade, guys. It's a little bit hard with the sun right now. There you go. Oh, okay, let's go. All right, sorry about the sun, guys. It's a little bit difficult in the middle of the day. He's about 42. Good size 42. There you go. Oh, 43. There you go. $43cm jack. The day's been recovered. Alright, excellent. And I'm going to have to put the second GoPro battery in now too. I'm nearly flat. Woohoo! Alright, let's get another. Alright, we've got enough to make a video. I was getting worried that I was going to have to miss a week. Still walk around that corner fairly safely, which is good. So I've got a little bit more fishing to do around here. Excellent. You'd like another jack just there, but boy, jacks fight. They've got to be on the top of my favourite fish list, right up there. Yep. Oh, hard hit again. Oh, left a big boil too. That left a very big boil. Ah, found some fish finally. Wonder what that was. He really slogged it. Oh, come on, have another go. Have another go. Getting close to the end of the line now. Just pull. If I keep fishing it, I might be able to provoke something else to bite. Oh, so scary. Oh no, I can walk heaps further. Wow. Just wow. Oh, there's so many decent sized crabs in that pot just there too. Can't find any walking through the mangroves today. Well, definitely to where boats get to. There's another crab pot. That's an abandoned one, but yeah, looks abandoned. Wow, I can cross over again, I think. Sort of. I don't know if it's safe enough. Oh, whoops. Whoa. Oh, yep. Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit. Oh, he's stirred me. Plastic up too. That was a hit. Felt like definitely felt like a barrow that time. Scared of that bait too. I wonder if he's still there. These fish would hook up. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, we got another jack, is it? No, yeah, it's another good jack. Whoa, they are solid fish here. Look at that. Let's get away from the water again. Whoa. That's another good fish. Look at that. Here we go. Pick him up for you. Oh. Some of that sand off him. Oh, stop it. Oh. There you go. Oh, chomp, chomp, chomp. About the same size as the last one, I reckon. He's good fish. Definitely a good fish. All right, let's get him on the ruler. There, little tiny bit smaller than the last one, but there you go. You can see his chin's right on the back, coming up, and tails in, just under 42. We'll call him 41. All right, another good sized fish. Excellent. I tell you what, I'd nearly given up on today. I nearly decided it was over and I was going home, and then more sand came out and back into the fish again. All right, one more. I'd love a barra. Let's catch a barra. Yeah. Ooh, this screams fish. That snag just down there. Wow. Definitely gonna be fish in there. A little bit shallow where I'm casting right now, but sometimes they can be feeding right up into the shallows. So start from where you are and work your way down. Oh, can't believe I haven't come across a crocodile down here yet. This is their home. Oh well. I didn't even see a slide, which is comforting in a way. All right, here we go. We've got murky water. We've got a snag. We've got bait. This is definitely screams barra. Screams it. It's a drain on the other side there. This could be a grand finale. This could be a really happy finish to this walk. Or I could catch nothing. There's definitely nothing behind me. Okay, keep my eyes on the water now. Oh, yep. Oh, he's off. He's off. That was a solid whack. All right, we got some action here. Yep, come on. That's on. That's the barra. No, it's another jack. It's another big jack. Look at the size of these things. Wow. Thought he was coming up. I saw the silver with the light on him. I'm like, oh, come on for the barra. No, it's another jack. Oh. I'm not going to measure him. I'm finished taking fish home. It's another good fish. It's probably the smallest jack so far. He's probably only 40 on the dot. But yeah, he's definitely a 40 centimeter model again. All right, I'm going to get him back in the water. Just take this hook out. All right, here we go. Now, you will forgive me if I don't get too close to the water, because there's 100% crocodiles here, so I'm just going to give him a little throw. All right, thanks, Mr. Jack. See you later. Woohoo! Happy days. Where's the time? 1:15. All right, I've got till 2 o'clock. I've got 45 minutes to get a barra. Go down here for 2 seconds to see how far I can get a cast down. Alright, that'll do. Back out here where I feel a bit safer. Alright, I just disappointingly dropped my barra, guys. That one hooked for about 0.3 of a second. See if I can't. He's got a friend there. Hooked him one jump and he was just gone. Oh, it's close. Yep. Oh, he's off again. No, he's on. I've got him. Come on. Oh. Jesus, just swam straight towards me. I thought he was off. What have I got? Staying down. Oh, this one's a G. No, it's another jack, this one. Oh, jack after jack. Let me catch my barra. Oh. There you go. Oh, right in the eyes. It's another good fish. Good fish. All right. Another jack. Another good fish. Oh, sorry. Did not mean to drop you, buddy. Okay. That is another 40. Good 40. We'll put him back in the water anyway. Here we go. See you, mate. I'll catch you when you're 45. Once again, I'm not getting too close to that water. There are too many crocodiles. Woohoo! Alright. Another good jack. Where's my barra? Yep, again, on again. Oh, he's tearing some drag. Oh, another jack for sure. Oh, all right, I'm gonna have to get a photo. Actually, I haven't taken a single photo today, so oh, look at the size of that. That's good fish. Whoa. Yes. These bat jacks are just horses. Oh, one after another. Beautiful. All right, I'm getting some photos. All right, got the photo. I reckon that's 42, I'd just say. Once again, I'm not measuring them. They are legal fish. They're all 40 plus centimeters. Good jacks. All right, put this one back in the water. A little bit closer. All right, here you go, bud. Off you go. Woo! Let's get another. A bit of a trick I'm doing right now is wherever I see the bait scatter, I'm aiming for those areas first. See a little bit of scared bait? Aim for there, because there's probably something that swum past them or triggered that bait to get a little bit nervous, or getting smashed, one of the two. But constantly just looking for that moving bait. Yeah, most of the fish that hit me right on this side too. You'd think they'd be on the structure. No, they hit me like in the shallows on this side, the side I'm standing on. Bizarre, but anyway. Oh yeah, there you go, something in front. I think we got a bit of movement just here, and I saw something dart through the bait. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's a bit of sand. Me in close here again. Just had 2 casts, 2 strikes, so hopefully I can get a hook up. Hit me just in close on this side again. Oh, come on. Oh, yep, on. Oh, another jack, I'm gonna say. Not a big one. It's a lot smaller than what I've caught so far. I think, yeah, it's a smaller jack. Oh, it's still fun. When I say smaller, you'd be still very close to 35. There you go. You might have been a little bit under that one. All right, go again. This is the jack hole. That's for sure. Oh, yep. Oh, another hit. They are just thick. They are out there. So many of them out there. It's almost a hit or a miss now. Spoke a little bit too soon, I think. Alright, time to start the long journey home. Still going to have a go at this pool when I get back up here because there's a few more active fish up there, I'm pretty sure. But that's it. I have to start heading back towards the car now. I could catch so many more fish there if I had more time. Anyway, hope you are enjoying this. I'll hopefully get one more fish on camera soon. Other than that, I can go home a happy man. This has been a great trip. Alright, until the next fish. I did have a hit and a miss just here on the way down. So it doesn't hurt to just have another couple. Oh, wow. Whoa. Look at that. Something had to go at them. Let's go. Oh, this pool is just alive, isn't it? Look at it. Look at the bait scattering everywhere. Oh, yes, I'm on. I'm on. Oh, I'm big time on. Oh, wow. Oh, on the way home and on again. What have I got this time? Oh, it's a giant jack again. Look at that. Oh, yes. More jacks. Oh, look at that. Another good fish. Another really good fish. Contemplating whether to take one more fish home or not. Whoa. Oh well. You can turn this off. Put him on the ruler for you again. He's only a baby. There you go. You can see his chin. It's on the end of the ruler there. Coming up. And he's only just under 38. He's a baby, this one. Still a good fish. Alright. Oh, once again, I don't know how many fish I've caught today. It's been another good one. Alright, a couple more casts and I definitely have to go. Alright. Alright. Another cast. All up here, I reckon. That bait is just scared in there and I know why. They're just getting chomped. Another cast up here, then I'll head up to the mouth of this. Oh, that's right up there. That is right up there. Yep, I'm on again, I'm on again. I'm on again. Oh, you're kidding me, I'm on again. Oh, another, feels like a solid fish again. Oh, it's just fish after fish. It's a jack again. Just another jack. Wow. Oh, he's bigger than that last one too. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Don't chomp me. I'm going to throw you back. You chomp me, you're coming home. Alright. Let's go for a I'm not that worried about a crocodile right here. I could probably see him come up. So, oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, all right, let's pick him up. Anyway, here's another good fish. Another good fish. All right, here you go. It's straight back in the water. Here you go, buddy. Just call me the Jack King. Alright, we're definitely drawing to the end now. After this pull, it's a solid walk home and that's it for the fish. all too shallow after this. Back up to the rock bar that was from the beginning. That rock bar, didn't realise it was going to come completely out of the water the way it did. I thought this trip was over. I literally thought this trip was over, and then when that tide went down and Axe opened up all this sand, it just got me to places that, well, fishermen dream of. This is what fishermen dream of. That's it. I'm done. Alright guys, if you enjoy this, tell your friends. Every weekend I'm doing this. Every Sunday I'm putting out a video. Unless I can't physically get the content, but I'll be trying no matter what. Like, subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this one, because I certainly did. Alright guys, see you later. Alright. When the other side looks like it's easier walking, I don't know if that's going to hold my weight. Oh, maybe it will. Hope it doesn't break. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh. 1 foot at a time. 1 foot at a time. Oh, it's very hard with this bag on my side. Alright, this other side looks like easier walking right now, so I'm happy with the move. Nothing like a 2-hour hike out after a solid day's fishing. Woohoo! That's fun.